Ever felt invisible in a group, especially when everyone's chatting away in English?
Oh man, Sarah, you're hitting close to home. I've been there, nodding along, hoping nobody calls on me.
It's awful, right? That feeling of being left out. Well, today we're tackling that head on. Welcome to Pod Speak Daily.
Hey everyone, I'm Mike and I'm super excited about this episode. It's all about English with friends, the natural, fun, and easy language we use every day.
Exactly. This isn't your textbook English. This is the language that makes life more enjoyable, the language that helps you connect with people.
So Sarah, what are we going to cover today to help us become master conversationalists?
We're going to break down 3 key areas: greeting friends naturally, making plans with ease, and talking about your interests and hobbies to build deeper connections.
Sounds perfect. I'm ready to ditch the formal hello and start sounding like a real person.
All right, first up, greetings. Forget how do you do. We're going for warm and natural. Think, hey, how are you doing?
Okay, I can do that. It feels a lot more relaxed already. What's another one?
What's up? It's super common, very casual.
Right, what's up? I hear that all the time, so it's like, hey, what's up?
Exactly. Or if you haven't seen someone in a while, you can say, long time no see.
Long time no see, that's a classic. I always forget to use it though.
Well, practice it now. Long time no see. And follow it up with how have you been?
How have you been? Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. It's like building a little greeting toolkit.
Precisely, and don't forget to be enthusiastic. Oh my goodness, it's so good to see you.
Okay, I might feel a little awkward saying that at first, but I get the idea. It's about showing genuine excitement.
Exactly. And finally, a great way to keep the conversation going is to ask, what have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately? That's a good one. It's open-ended and invites them to share.
So let's put it all together. Imagine you run into an old friend. I'll start. Oh my goodness. Hey, long time no see.
Okay, I'm on it. I know it has been so long. How have you been?
I have been good, really busy but good. You look great, by the way.
Thank you so much, so do you. What have you been up to lately?
Oh, work, family, the usual. But I am so happy we are hanging out today.
Me too, I have missed you so much.
See, that was warm, natural, and engaging. You nailed it, Mike.
Thanks, it felt a lot more comfortable than just saying a stiff hello.
Okay, let's move on to making plans. This is where a lot of people get stuck. How do you invite someone to do something without sounding awkward?
Yeah, I always feel like I'm putting people on the spot. I need some go-to phrases.
All right, start with something simple. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Do you want to hang out this weekend? That's pretty straightforward, I like it.
Or you could ask, are you free on Saturday?
Are you free on Saturday? That's good too. It's less pressure than a direct invitation.
And if you're not sure about specific plans, you can just say, we should get together soon.
We should get together soon. That's a nice way to plant the seed without committing to anything.
Exactly. And if you have something specific in mind, try, want to grab some coffee later.
Want to grab some coffee later? Casual and easy. I can definitely use that.
You can also suggest an activity. Let's do something fun this weekend.
Let's do something fun this weekend. That's a great way to get people excited.
And to be even more specific, I was thinking we could go to the movies.
I was thinking we could go to the movies. That gives them a concrete idea to respond to.
Or how about dinner on Friday?
How about dinner on Friday? Okay, I'm feeling much more prepared to actually ask people to hang out now.
Excellent. Now, what about saying yes? You don't want to just say yes. You want to sound enthusiastic.
Drew, what are some good ways to say yes?
That sounds great is always a winner.
That sounds great, simple and effective.
Or I would love to.
I would love to. That's a little more formal but still friendly.
Count me in is a fun and casual way to say yes.
Count me in, I like that one. It shows you're definitely on board.
If you need to confirm the details, say, absolutely. What time?
Absolutely, what time? That's practical and shows you're ready to commit.
And for extra enthusiasm, I am so in. Let's do it.
I am so in, let's do it. Okay, I'm feeling super positive about making plans now.
But what if you have to say no? It's important to be polite and not hurt anyone's feelings.
Yeah, that's where I really struggle. I don't want to seem like I'm blowing them off.
Start with, I am sorry, I already have plans.
I am sorry, I already have plans. That's a good way to be direct without being rude.
Or, I wish I could, but I am busy that day.
I wish I could, but I am busy that day. That shows you genuinely regret not being able to make it.
The key is to offer an alternative. Can we do it another time?
Can we do it another time? That's crucial. It shows you still want to hang out.
You can also say, I cannot make it this time, but let's plan again soon.
I cannot make it this time, but let's plan again soon. That reinforces your desire to reschedule.
And finally, a casual option. I have to take a rain check. Sorry.
I have to take a rain check. Sorry. That's a good way to politely decline without giving a specific reason.
Okay, let's practice a full planning conversation. I'll invite you. Hey, are you free this Saturday?
Saturday, let me think. Yes, I think I am free. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking we could grab some coffee and maybe go for a walk in the park.
Oh, that sounds great. I would love that. What time?
How about 11 in the morning?
11 works perfectly for me. Count me in.
Amazing. I am so excited. It has been ages since we hung out.
I know, way too long. See you Saturday.
See you then. Cannot wait.
That felt so easy and natural. I'm actually looking forward to making plans now.
Now let's practice saying no. I'll ask again. Hey, are you free this Saturday?
Oh, I am so sorry. I wish I could, but I already have plans this Saturday.
Oh, no worries at all. How about next weekend?
Next weekend works much better for me. Let's plan something then.
Perfect. I will message you during the week.
Great, looking forward to it.
See, you said no politely, kept the friendship warm, and made a new plan. That's real social English.
It was so polite, not rude at all. I think I can actually pull that off now.
All right, we've covered greetings and making plans. Now, let's talk about something that helps friendships grow deeper: interests and hobbies.
Yes, when I'm with friends, I always want to talk about things I enjoy, but I don't always have the words in English.
Well, after this section, you will. The key question is, what do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time? That's a good starting point. It's open-ended and invites them to share what they're passionate about.
Then you can share your own interests. I love watching movies.
I love watching movies, simple and relatable.
Or, I am really into music.
I am really into music. That's a good way to express a strong interest.
I enjoy cooking at home.
I enjoy cooking at home. That's a great conversation starter, especially if you can share recipes.
I am obsessed with travel.
I am obsessed with travel. That's a strong statement, but it shows your passion.
I have been getting into reading lately.
I have been getting into reading lately. That shows you're trying something new.
And if you're a sports fan, I am a huge fan of soccer.
I am a huge fan of soccer. That's a great way to connect with other sports enthusiasts.
A great follow-up question is, have you ever tried activity?
Oh, that's clever. It opens up a whole new avenue for discussion, especially if it's something a bit niche or unusual.
Exactly. For example, have you ever tried rock climbing?
Have you ever tried rock climbing? That's a good one. It's adventurous and might spark their curiosity.
Or, have you ever tried learning a new language?
Have you ever tried learning a new language? That's perfect for us. It's something we can definitely relate to.
Once you've established a common interest, dig deeper. What kind of music do you like? Or what's your favorite movie?
Right? It's not just about listing your interests. It's about finding common ground and exploring it together.
Exactly. And remember to listen actively and ask follow-up questions. Show genuine interest in what they're saying.
That's so important. It's easy to get caught up in talking about yourself, but the best conversations are a two-way street.
Definitely. And don't be afraid to be vulnerable and share your passions, even if they're a little quirky.
True authenticity is key to building real connections.
Okay, let's recap what we've covered today. We've learned how to greet friends naturally, make plans with ease, and talk about our interests and hobbies to build deeper connections.
Wow, we covered a lot. I feel so much more confident about striking up conversations with friends now.
Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The important thing is to keep trying.
Exactly, so go out there and start connecting with people. Use your new conversational skills and have fun.
Thanks for joining us on Pod Speak Daily. We hope this episode has helped you unleash your conversational confidence.
And remember to subscribe for more English practice sessions every single day. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.